Danielle Free. Miss Free, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On November 6, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's motor vehicle after observing it speeding 55 miles per hour in a 40-mile-per-hour zone in the 7800 block of Spencer Highway. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer detected an odor of an alcoholic beverage on the defendant's breath, and standard field sobriety tests were conducted. HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 3 out of 8, and one leg stand 3 out of 4. The defendant admitted to drinking and to taking prescription
DWI charge and up to 6 months behind bars. Buckle up, this courtroom ride's just getting started.
Open cans of twisted teas, one in each cup holder, and
Consuming while driving?
There were 2 open cans in the cup holders, yes, Your Honor. And DICs were read, and the defendant consented to blood.
Ms. Free, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now ordering you not to drive. Do you understand? You are not allowed to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand? I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If you consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication, likewise, you will go to jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Open twisted teas in both cup holders. That's not just a sip, that's evidence in stereo.
No, Your Honor.
Any prior criminal history at all?
She has a prior racing on a highway that was dismissed earlier this year.
What do you do for a living, Ms. Free? Why?
I just graduated nursing school, so I was a CNA and caregiver in an independent care facility. But right now I help take care of my great grandma, so it's just a lot at once.
So how do you support yourself? How do you eat?
I live with my grandparents and I help them take care of her. She can't take care of herself. She has dementia and a mental disorder.
I'll fill out an application for you. I need to know everything about you, how much money you make, what kind of car you drive, any source of income that you have, money in the bank, stocks, bonds, IRAs. I'll have you fill out an application, but I need to know everything about you. Don't just put zeros because I'm going to send it right back to you.
Yes.
Do you understand? And I'll see whether you qualify. Above all else, do not drive. Do you understand? There's no justification that you can give for getting in a car. Likewise, don't consume alcohol or drugs. If you
Future nurse. Full-time caregiver, this took a human turn. Should the court weigh compassion against consequence?
You understand? Okay. Do you mind giving me an application, please?
It started like so many courtroom stories do, with a name, Danielle Free, a young woman, fresh out of nursing school, caregiver to her great-grandmother, and just trying to find her footing in life. But on November 6, 2004, that path took a detour. Officers pulled her over for speeding, 55 and a 40, and what they found was far more serious. The smell of alcohol was strong. Her field sobriety test results were troubling, and inside the car, 2 open cans of twisted tea sitting in the cup holders like silent witnesses. She admitted to drinking and taking prescription medication. That confession, combined with the evidence, turned a traffic stop into a DWI charge, one that could land her behind bars for up to 6 months and cost her $2,000. And the judge made it crystal clear. No driving, no alcohol, no drugs. Any violation would come with harsh consequences, contempt hearings, more jail time, and fines. But this wasn't just another case. Danielle wasn't just a defendant. She was someone who cared for her elderly grandmother, someone who had dreams of helping others as a nurse. Her life had meaning, but in one night, it was nearly derailed. So what do we learn here? Drinking and driving is never just a bad decision. It's a life-altering one. It doesn't matter who you are, how much stress you're under, or how good your intentions may be. Behind the wheel, alcohol and excuses don't mix. Always choose a sober ride, protect your future, and never forget, one moment of poor judgment can rewrite your entire story.